All right, time to shoot the pro round 2 with the 499B. So we're going to give it a run. Now, if you notice in the background here, this has been in several of the videos. That is one of 2 grand prizes to be given away to all contestants shooting this contest. Make sure you shoot it, because if you compete, you're going to have a chance to win. Just like we did on the Hammer Time Challenge, we're going to do the same kind of raffle drawing on Hillbilly Up's channel with Walnut and Steel joining in. He's going to join in on the live stream, but also, he's giving away one of these. So we're giving away 2 of them. And it's new in the box, never been opened, a Daisy Christmas Wish Red Ryder. So look forward to that. Get your targets in, whether it's a video or just a picture of your target. Get out there and have some fun. Let's shoot this challenge and see how the 499B will do now. Start off by warming up on Bart. Some people ask, why Bart? Well, he's bad Bart. Just another Bart like Black Bart. Oops. Be good if we put a BB in it. That's pretty embarrassing. I'm a muzzleloader guy too. Try that again. All right, put one more on Bart, walk down there and take a look, because it's been a while since I shot this gun. Make sure I know where it's hitting, and then we're going to make a run on the target. All right, stand by. We're going to take a look. It looks like elevation is pretty much where I was aiming. I might be pulling a little to the right. Not sure if it's me or the gun, but that's not a bad group. So let's start off by shooting Black Bart. Now, if you don't know this target, you got to shoot him in the head to get all 3 points. Shoot him in the body, you get 1 point. It should be 3. Sorry about that. That's 4 on target, but I want to make sure I knew where I was hitting. I did get 1 high. It's still a headshot, but it's very close. So it's probably just me based on the other groups. Put our 5th one down there and see how we do. All right, so that's 5 on the big Black Bart in the middle. So now let's shoot his accomplice to the left. Anywhere on him counts. It's 4 and 5. All right, so now we're going to move to the pink bunny suit. Save Ralphie from a fashion faux pas. Should be 3. And last one on the bunny suit. And that's 5. Now we're going to shoot his accomplices on the bottom, his gang, bottom right. This will be 3. This should be 5. All right, now before we shoot the wanted poster, I'll go take another look, make sure I know exactly where this thing's hitting. It looks like I've dropped at least one shot there so far. A little bit low. All right, now we'll shoot the wanted poster. It's 3. Four. And 5. Now we got to shoot for our bonus point. Remember on this one, that red bar of soap in Ralphie's mouth, it's 15 points. The black collar, that's 10. Anywhere else is -5. So, let's see what we can do. All right, let's go check it out. Well, as normal, welcome back from the range, or that area that's parallel to my back and parallel behind this screen. Take a look at this target. I can't believe it because I felt I was a little unsteady. I think you can see that in some of these groups. This gun is so much better than I am. Maybe that I am today, but maybe I am, period. But wow, look what happened. So start off here. Got all 5 in here. Now this one does hit the head. You can probably kind of see that, but I did go ahead and plug it. I don't know how well you can see that in the plug, but it definitely hits it. And so that's good. I came over here, all 5 are there. Again, there was one right on the edge, plugged it, and it does hit the head, so that counts. So that's all 10 there. This one's a little less questionable, but I did go ahead and plug it because it hit the hand. It does go through the hand, and I'll push it in there. You can see that there probably as well on your screen. I don't know how well you see that, but definitely through the hand. So all 5 there, another 10 points. But I dropped down here to, it's somewhat deceptive target. It's one of the easier targets unless you shoot to this side. As long as you stay in this area, it's pretty good, but I dropped 2 down here. Now this one does hit. Again, I plugged it, and it's clearly in there. Well, again, that's going to show on your screens, but it definitely is. But the one right next to it, I didn't even bother to plug because it is clearly not. And maybe you can see that there or not if I get that light just right. There is white between those two. So I lost 2 points on that one. Came over here, got all 5 in here. That one's hit it, but it's hit the line. It's more than half the BBs in there, and the rest of them are in here. So that's 15 points on that one. And looky, I was aiming literally right there, and I hit it. I know. Chad's going to be out there from Kentucky Rimfire and Hobbies. He's going to say, yep, it's luck, and he's dead on right. I mean, the gun's accurate. It's where I was aiming, but for me to hit that every time, yeah, it's not going to happen. But I got it. And that's the first time I think somebody's hit the red bar of soap, at least that I remember, on the Pro Challenge. So there you go. That's the new target, 73 points. I can't believe it. And so don't worry, it's a great score. I may be at the top or near the top of that leaderboard, but I can't win. You all remember that. Now, as I mentioned on the range part of this thing, we're going to have some good prizes given away at the end of this, at the end of January. And right now, the biggest two are 2 brand new Christmas Wish Red Ryder BB guns. I'm giving one away, and so is Nibs at Walnut and Steel. And we're going to do that on Hillbilly Up's show on Saturday nights at 10 o'clock Eastern. Watch for that. We'll do an announcement when we're going to do it, and we're going to do it just like we did on the Hammer Time Challenge. Everybody that competes, everybody that shoots is going to get a chance to win those 2 prizes, and a couple others we'll throw in there too. Now, if you win your category, first place, you'll get a couple more chances. You'll get 3 chances, and you'll get 2 chances for second place, and then everybody else still gets a chance. So try to do your best, but nonetheless, just having fun and shooting this contest, you're going to have a chance to win those 2 great BB guns. So I hope you kind of like this stuff. I'm having a ball shooting it. This gun is amazing. I'll probably get in trouble, but it's not a firearm, YouTube. But you can go and buy these reasonably priced, cheaper than most cheap 22 rifles. And you can compete at a very high level, these Daisy 499Bs. We'll have some more of these type guns coming up on the channel. I'm working on trying to restore some before the end of this challenge is over, a 99B and a 299B. That should be really fun. But we'll see what kind of parts I can get in time to get them rebuilt. But anyway, I hope you like this. If you do, give me a like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later.